Hey, good morning. Eagle Song Gardener here at RavenCroft Garden, and today it's mid-January and Sally is potting up the houseplants. So she's got a great process, happens once a year here at RavenCroft, and right now, tell us what you're doing there, Sally.
I'm potting up. So this little plant was given to me as a start, and now you can see that it's really grown in, all the way to the bottom, and it's ready for a new pot.
All right, okay.
So I am going to...
So you have a little soil in that pot already.
Yep,
now
a little
you
bit.
Drop in the plant that needs to grow in, and that yellow pot there, is that what it was in?
Yeah.
All right, so you're not taking it up too far, just a little bit.
Yeah, so then it'll keep growing into its new home.
All right, and this will give it about a year's worth of growth, and you can check it again next year to see if you want to take it up anymore.
Yep.
All right, great.
I'm just using a commercial potting mix, and I have put a little bit of compost from here at RavenCroft into the mix today.
Okay, so you're all set up. You're in the dining room, and I see Catkin is here to help with the project. And so this is the way that we pot plants up. Notice we are not telling you the names of these plants. This is a cactus, but we don't need to know the names. What Sally reminds me over and over again, what's important is that you know how they grow and you tend them in a way that they like what happens with them here in the house. And so you can see here also that we have house plants everywhere. And I'm going to get a little bit closer to these. Oh yeah, that was the holiday amaryllis, and offset by the new spring primrose that's just come in. And so all these plants, some live in the house year round. Here are geraniums that come in because it's too cold in the winter here in Washington, and so we bring them in, and they'll be where we get starts and put them out again in the summer. We have narcissus, which bring a really amazing scent to the house during the winter. No need to be without your plant allies. And so we have poinsettia, and over here just beautiful plants. People give Sally plants all the time, and she just tends them. Norfolk pine. More of the... We have Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Easter cactus, ferns, a beautiful Swedish ivy growing up the banister. This one's really gone splendid in its growth the last few years. And so this is what happens in the middle of January at RavenCroft Garden.
Hey, I just want to say that really this is the time where, yes, I do pot up, but I also, when I don't, I'm just refurbishing, like dressing the pots with some new soil. And then I put them in the bathtub, and I water them deeply, and I give them a little bath all over their leaves. So
once a year, these plants get a shower as well to keep their leaves open and available to the light so that they can continue their growth. That is awesome. Awesome. Yeah, we love our house plants. They're everywhere, at least in the kitchen and the dining room, because there is a lot of light. Living room doesn't have too much light, so that doesn't bode well for plants. But it sure bodes well for the wood stove and a cozy winter cozy for us through the winter. All right, Eagle Song Gardener signing off from RavenCroft Gardener and Sally King. All right, we'll see you down the road.